We've all heard it. Leave eggs out too long, and you're in for a smelly surprise. Most of us can't imagine eggs lasting more than a couple of weeks without refrigeration. But the Amish, they've been storing eggs without electricity for generations, sometimes for years. Their techniques might even outlast your fridge. Instead of high-tech equipment, they use simple methods like lime water and mineral oil, and they know what they're doing. So, how does it work? Lime water, made from calcium hydroxide, creates a protective layer over the eggs, sealing the shell's tiny pores from air and bacteria. This armor stops spoilage, allowing eggs to last months or even years. Another trick involves coating eggs in mineral oil, which keeps out oxygen and bacteria by sealing the pores in the shell, effectively preventing them from spoiling. And it's not just about tradition, the science backs it up. Eggs have naturally protective shells, but once they're washed, that layer is lost. That's why grocery store eggs don't last nearly as long as eggs treated with these methods. But the Amish know how to select and preserve the perfect eggs. And if a fridge fails, no problem, they've got eggs safely stored without any dependence on modern appliances. The really impressive part is their preparation. Amish families often preserve thousands of eggs each year using these methods, creating a steady supply for cooking and baking without the need for constant trips to the store. Their techniques even include vinegar baths and dry storage, an adaptable, natural approach that's as effective as it is simple. For anyone interested in food preservation, these methods are a game changer. They teach us to step back from our dependence on fridges and think about sustainability, which can be a relief during power outages or supply issues. The Amish have a solution for egg preservation that's both effective and enduring, plus, it could save space in your fridge. So why not give it a try? The Amish community has mastered the art of keeping eggs fresh for astonishingly long periods, a skill that many of us have lost in the age of modern appliances. While we might worry about eggs spoiling after a couple of weeks without refrigeration, the Amish have techniques that allow eggs to stay fresh for years, no electricity required. This age-old practice is both fascinating and incredibly useful, showcasing a commitment to tradition that goes beyond our reliance on modern conveniences. The secret? One method involves lime water, a simple solution made by mixing calcium hydroxide lime with water. When eggs are soaked in this solution, it creates an airtight seal over the shell, blocking bacteria from entering and keeping the eggs fresh for extended periods. Similarly, oiling with mineral oil covers the eggshell pores, preventing oxygen from reaching the egg and ensuring freshness. These methods, straightforward and remarkably effective, are part of a larger philosophy of self-reliance and careful resource management that the Amish follow. Historically, vinegar has also been used for preservation, as its acidic nature creates a barrier against bacteria. While this might seem unconventional today, it's a proven way to keep food safe for extended storage, a trick even ancient Roman soldiers used. What's amazing is that these techniques allow families to store thousands of eggs at a time, ensuring they have a steady supply regardless of season or circumstance. For those of us accustomed to a fridge as the ultimate solution, the Amish way provides a different perspective. It reminds us that with a little knowledge and patience, we can achieve impressive results without high-tech gadgets. The need to carefully select and prepare eggs for preservation is part of this careful approach, where only the freshest, intact eggs are chosen. The Amish thoroughly inspect each egg for cracks and imperfections before starting the preservation process, showing the importance of starting with high-quality materials. These methods, from lime water soaking to oiling and vinegar baths, demonstrate the possibilities of natural preservation. They also provide inspiration for those looking to reduce waste and explore self-sufficiency. Whether you're intrigued by the idea of sustainable living or simply want to have fresh eggs on hand, the Amish techniques offer a fascinating glimpse into preserving food naturally, even in modern times.